Hello everyone, today I will be doing acrylic painting on peony line drawing. For materials, see the description part. Take pink color, then mix some water and make it watery and lightly apply on petals. Don't apply on all parts of petals, you have to leave some small areas. Now mix yellow and red color to get orange color. Apply it on that leftover areas. You can also lightly apply it over pink color. Mix crimson red and blue color to get dark purple color. So you have to mix white color to make it light. Then apply it on petal. Watch the process properly, how I am applying the colors. Apply pink and blue colors without water. This is done to give highlights. And one thing, if you have excess paint on brush, then you can discard or rub it on palette so that you can get a light shade. You can use a little bit of water to spread the acrylic paint. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. And yes, don't forget to comment.